Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for sustainable and rapid weight loss. Instead of restricting your favorite foods or resorting to complicated diet plans, intermittent fasting simplifies weight loss down to a basic formula. It's not a magic pill or a strict regimen that requires you to count every calorie. It's a simple, yet effective diet protocol that helps you lose weight and reach your dream physique in a sustainable way. With intermittent fasting, you don't have to sacrifice your favorite foods or follow an intense exercise program. Instead, it focuses on when you eat, allowing you to schedule your meals to make the most out of your body's metabolic rate. Some of the notable protocols within intermittent fasting include the 16-8 diet protocol, the 24-hour eat-stop-eat diet protocol, and various others, such as the alternate day, 20-4 and 5-2 methods. With intermittent fasting, breaking through weight loss plateaus and boosting metabolism is no longer a dream, but a reality that is within your reach. Are you looking for the fastest way to lose weight? You're about to discover one of the fastest methods to help you melt those pounds of fats in the easiest and sustainable way possible. Introducing the Intermittent Fasting Formula, an easy-to-follow plan to help you lose weight fast and boost your overall health. You don't have to ban your favorite food or follow a strict diet plan. This blueprint reveals everything you need to know about intermittent fasting, such as how to get started with intermittent fasting, learn how it works, the amazing mental and physical health benefits, diet protocols, effective tips to get better results fast, and more. If you want to get ripped, burn stubborn belly fats, and improve overall health quickly, then this is the solution you've been waiting for. Now, you can get this life-changing program at a discounted price. So why wait? Transform your life today with the Intermittent Fasting Formula. Recommended to watch the video and click on the link in the description to know more about this formula.